everyone, and welcome to Algonquin College. Here's a quick tutorial video on how to access your book list. If you are a Woodruff, Pembroke, or Perth student, you can visit thecampusstore.ca/booklist to access your customized book list for your program. To gain access to Booklist, click Get Your Book List here. Enter your Algonquin College username and password. Please note that you should not be entering your student ID number or full email address, rather just your username and password. Select your term and click Find My Course List. Now that you've successfully gained access to your book list, you'll be able to scroll through each of your courses to determine which required or suggested course materials you will need for your program. Under each course, you will see a number of options. For instance, under Law 4110, you can either buy new paperback, which is the print version of your textbook, or you can buy e-text alone, which is the digital version. Whichever option you choose is completely up to you and your learning style. Once you've decided which option you want to purchase, simply click Buy, and this will be added to your cart. To check out your cart, simply scroll up and click In Cart. Before you proceed to checkout, you can view your shopping cart to ensure you've selected all of your course materials. When you're ready to purchase, simply click Checkout.